Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix blue screen error code 0xc000000e on Windows. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type bootrec /fix mbr. Type bootrec /fix boot. Type bootsec /nt60 sys. Type bootrec /fix boot. Type bcd edit /export c:\bcd backup. Type c:\cd boot. Type attrib bcd -h -r -s. Ren bcd bcd.old. Type bootrec /rebuild bcd. Type A. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.